Though the world cannot contain your holiness, you have made the way. Oh, you have made the way. The veil was torn and we stand before you now. In your glory we're amazed. By your glory we're amazed. And all glory and all honor and all praise to you. By the blood of Christ our lives have been renewed, redeemed and holy now. We're redeemed and holy now. With hearts on fire, Lord, you dwell inside of us. In your glory we're amazed. By your glory we're amazed. And all glory and all honor and all praise to you. And all glory and all honor and all praise to you. To hear our cries, Lord, come shake these walls. Oh, and rattle the steeples. Lord, we are your people. Hear our cries, Lord. Come shake these walls. Oh, and rattle the steeples. Lord, we are your people. Hear our cries, Lord. Come shake these walls. Oh, and rattle the steeples. Lord, we are your people. So glory and all honor and all praise to you. And all glory and all honor, all praise to you. And all glory